The Auspice TV.
Welcome to Websley tutorial. Let's check out we can create website and Android app using this website. So by going to this website websley.io, then you can see the features we have there. So now these are the website looks like on mobile phone. So let's try it. Now we want to create website first. So by clicking on create website, or you click here. Now you can see it like this. Now let me click on continue. If you have registered before, you can log in, but if you have not, so you click on this register now. Now you can see provide your name, your address, your mobile number, and then any password you want to use. Now after that, you log in from this place. After you have successfully logged in, so you see a screen like this. Now anywhere you want to go, you can see we have websites to check the list of websites you have created. We have apps, list of apps you have created, profile. Then you click this button is if you want to create a website or you want to create an app, so you click on it. And we have menu from this place. You can see this is your ID, so I can copy it from this. And we have you can see home, my apps, my website, another thing. Now after this, let me click on this thing straight so that we can create website. So on this platform you can choose website. Now what's the name of the app you want to create? You put it here. After you have provided your details, you click on create button. Now my website is created successfully. So after that, you click on this is the website. If you create app, the app will be listed here. So this is my website. Let me click on it. You can see I can view the details. Now this is details. This is manager ID to access your website anywhere. I will show you how you can use this manager ID later. So let me click it. You can copy it out. Now website views. So you don't have any views yet. Now website type, you don't have anything. Platform type, you don't have. You have not set your type. Now let's go back. This is my website. Click it. So you get open your website, and we have open manager. So in case you want to manage your website, you click on this manage your website. But let us firstly check our website, how it looks like. Now I was redirected to this place, so that means I need to provide the website type I want to create. Now let me use online school. Now on this place you can see enable user sign up yet. That phone number you can change it. That button will be enroll. So that means on your courses, you know, it's online school, your courses, there will be a button on it called enroll. So automated button, leave it like that. Then click on update. Now you can see the preview of my website. So sample website, that is the name I named it. And this sample website, you can change the logo. I will show you everything. Now you can see all the menus. Automatically all these menus will be there, so you can remove them from your website manager. Now you can see enroll now. So let me scroll down. Now under the syllabus, now in this syllabus you can still edit, you can remove anything you want. Even this word, you can change it. Now the text we have here, everything you can change them. Now courses, you can see the picture here. Nothing shows. Just please delete me. Just a sample. They are there for just a sample purpose. Now we scroll down and contact us. Any message I send from here will be delivered into your website manager and your email address. Okay, into your email account. Now we have syllabus, we have courses here, we have our tutors, login and register, contact us. Now that is a preview of your website. It's just a template. You can edit them from your website manager. So let's go back to our website manager. How will we do that? Just go back to Websley. So where we are coming from. So you click on continue to proceed. Now in this place you can see, so my website, now this is where you are going to, so open manager. You have already known your website, so let's click on open manager. So click here. Your website link is, thank you. So this is my website link. Let me just open your tab and paste it here. Okay, now you can see the process here. So these are the tasks you need to perform, you need to complete. At first I have 21% and it must reach 100% before I'm done with it. So you can provide the details of your website, delete sample syllabus and add yours. Now follow everything and you get everything right. Now after that You come to settings. Even before that, before you answer all these things, just first thing to do is to come to settings. On this place, you can see the name of your website, email address, your business address. You can edit this, phone number, opening hours. Now this manager ID, the work of this manager ID is this. You can generate new one in case this one get exposed. Okay, so let me show you. You know, when I log into my website manager, I pass through Websly. So in case you don't want to pass through that place, you can still come to this manager.websly.io. Go to this on browser. You can see what we have. Now after that, copy this your ID, paste it here. So let's see where it, now you can see where it takes me to. Just normal thing like this place. So from here I can still go to settings. You can see, so there's no difference. Alright, now on page settings, slider text color. So meaning of slider text color, that color on the slider on your website, the whole page color, color theme, background, footer background, at the footer place the background picture there. Now the background color there. Home page body screen, is it light or dark? Slider photo, cover. Now the logo on your website, in case you want it to be text or logo. So you can see, you can display logo. But in this place, you need to change your logo. How to change your logo? Click on this place, then click on upload to change your logo. Now to make it, contact us. Okay. Now the button here, enroll now. That's the enroll now button that is on your slider. So you can leave it like that. Button your slider, make it. Now, if you want a moving text on your website, so provide the text here. Now promotion, this one just leave it like that. So there's a place called promotional video. So in case you want to hide it, so you need to empty this place, but don't worry, don't touch this place. Now footer and form settings. At the footer, at the footer of a website, you see created with something. So there will be something called created with Websly at the bottom of your website. In case you want to change it, click on this place. Now contact us form, if you want to hide it on your website, you can hide it. Now other pixel, Facebook pixel, Google AdSense, your ID put that there. Now live chat ID, if it is talk.to, if it's TD or WhatsApp. So if you want a WhatsApp button, a floating button at this side on your website, you can input your phone number here. Make sure your phone number starts with country code. So if it's US +1, Nigeria 234, then your number like this. So by doing this, I will show you this. So WhatsApp button will display on your website. Now after that, what again? That's all. Then you click on save. Now let's go to, in case you want to change your password, go here. Now let's go to settings, menu settings. On this place, you can edit your menu. Now our tutors we have there, so you can edit it here. So contact us, syllabus, you can edit them. Now that syllabus, if you want to hide it, you can see hide it. Courses, if you want to hide it on your website. So our tutors facts, you want to display facts, you make it visible. When you make it visible, to add facts into your website, you need to go back to dashboard and click on menu. You will see it there. Now all these places at the bottom of your about us, in case you want to hide all these things. That's how they work. Okay, now let's go back to this. To open your website, you can see open website. Let me click on it. Now this is the WhatsApp button I told you about, that when I added that phone number, so the WhatsApp button will display. So when someone clicks on this WhatsApp button, take them to your contacts on WhatsApp, and they can be able to send you message. So that's how Websly works on how to create websites. For more details, you can check my YouTube channel. You see many tutorials of Websly. Thanks for watching.
Kindly click on subscribe button so that you will be notified anytime I release new videos. Don't forget to click on the bell button beside it so that you will always be notified.